Hello everybody, this is GP and welcome to BudgetTECHph. And today we have something different. Pahinga mo tayo sa mga smartphones na yan, and let's talk about wireless earphones, okay? Right here with me, I have these XIAOMI Airdots. And sabi nila guys, this could be a Samsung Galaxy Buds and Apple AirPods alternative since this is only a $30 wireless earphones. Pag kinonvert natin siya sa peso, it's only less than 2,000 pesos. Pero yung nabili ko siya guys, it's 2,000 plus. I bought this online kasi. And yung mga price range doon from 2,000 plus to 3,000 plus. So malayo talaga, iba-iba kasi yung seller doon. The reason behind it siguro ay kasi wala tayong official release nito dito sa Philippines at yung mga stocks pa ay galing abroad. But then again, mas mura pa rin siya if you can compare it to the Galaxy Buds, which is I think almost 7,000 at ang AirPods ay 8,000 plus. Sama pa natin yung bagong Huawei wireless earphones na bago ay 4,000 plus, mas mura pa rin talaga to. But then again, hindi lang naman ang price dapat natin consider, we also have to consider the quality. So let's all find out kung sulit ba yung price nito at okay ba ang quality. So before we start, at the end of this video, I'll be giving out a XIAOMI Airdots to one of our lucky subscribers. So stay tuned for more details. So unbox na natin siya guys. Okay guys, here's the box. You can see guys, right here, everything is in Chinese. Right there. Okay, let's see what's inside. So we have here the case and the earphones, the left and right. And tingnan natin kung ano pa nasa loob. We have here the ear tip. So sa mga different sizes ng tenga. And we have here the micro USB cable for your charging. And then we have a, what is this? Manual right here. And unfortunately, it's still in Chinese. Yan. Chinese pa rin siya guys. So, try na lang natin siya i-figure out kung paano natin siya i-set up. Okay? Okay guys, here's the case with me. And right here, you can see the charging port where you can use this to charge the case with the AirDots inside. And nilagay ko na pala yung mga AirDots sa loob or yung mga earphones sa loob. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo sandali guys. And as you can see, okay, kita nyo ba guys? It's, meron siyang red light. It means it's charging. So, every time na nasa loob yung mga earphones sa loob ng case, automatic yan mag-charge as long as meron tong enough battery. So guys, kung mapapansin nyo rin, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, it's magnetic. So, hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag. Tignan nyo guys. Pakita ko kung gaano kalakas yung magnet. Yan. Nag-snap siya kagad. So, secure yung mga earphones pag nasa loob ng casing. Hindi siya basta-basta kakalob-kalob. Okay guys, connect na natin siya sa smartphone. Okay, madali lang naman. First of all, ang una natin gawin ay dapat naka-on yung Bluetooth sa phone natin. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. There you go. Connected na siya. Or, on na yung Bluetooth niya. And then, next is open natin yung case and then kunin natin yung isa sa mga earphone. Ang main earphone actually is yung right side. So, right here, itong gamitin natin. And as you can see, yan, it's currently blinking. So, it means nasa pairing mode na siya. So, yan guys. Yan, na-search na siya ng phone ko guys. And all you need to do is just tap this. And yan. We're now connected. So, pwede na natin gamitin yung kabilang earphone. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-connect or i-set up pa siya separately. So, but if you want to use it na isa lang, pwede naman. If you just gonna use it for voice call, pwede naman yon. So, pag-usapan muna natin yung fitting nitong earphone. So, for me guys, okay talaga yung fitting niya. Yung default o yung nakalagay na ear tip dito is sakto lang sa tenga ko. Hindi siya nakakailang, hindi siya mabigat, or hindi siya bulky. So, comfortable naman siya. Pero, para pakita ko lang sa inyo yung comparison, I have here the Galaxy Buds. Here, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung difference ng size nila. So, medyo malaki lang ng konti yung Galaxy Buds. Pero, pag sinuot mo siya, it's actually mas lighter siya at mas comfortable. Pero, at least sa akin guys, mas comfortable sa akin yung Galaxy Buds. Yung AirDots naman guys, secure naman siya. As I said earlier, hindi siya madaling matanggal, as you can see. So you can use this if you want to run with it or sa jogging nyo guys, pwede siyang gamitin. But just have to be careful kasi hindi siya waterproof or hindi siya water resistant. So, baka masira to at madamage siya sa pawis or sa tubig. Okay guys, pagdating naman sa sound quality, sobrang napabilib niya ako. Tinest ko na siya for a couple of hours kanina. Sa music, sa videos, sobrang na-impress ako. Sa noise cancellation niya, sa bass niya, sa sound quality niya, sa sounds clarity niya, yung clear sounds niya, sobrang okay. Hindi siya tunog cheap, hindi siya tunog lata, sobrang okay na okay siya. So, napabilib talaga ako nito. And now, let's talk about naman yung other features niya, like yung touchpad, right here. So, right here, as you can see, itong buong white na to, ito yung touchpad. You can use this to answer call and even reject call, and you can use this to play and pause music. I'll show it to you guys, ha. Yan, naka-pause na siya ngayon. And if you want to play it one more time, yan. So, napaka-useful niya talaga. And you can even activate the Google Assistant using this touchpad or using this earphones. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is double tap nyo lang siya. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo guys, ha. Yan, there you go. So, if there's one thing na ayoko lang dito sa touchpad niya, it's masyado siyang sensitive kasi cover niya lahat. So, pag hinawakan niyo siya dito, pwede siyang ma-accidenting mapindot, ma-play, ma-pause, or ma-activate yung Google Assistant. Pero aside from that, okay na okay yung feature na to, yung touchpad. Okay, pag-usapan naman natin yung battery life niya. So, pag full charge tong earphones na to, you can use it for straight 4 hours. Sama mo pa yung battery life nitong case, it will give you all in all 12 hours. And if you want to charge this, you can charge this for about an hour and a half para ma-full charge to. One thing you need to know, pakita ko lang sa inyo, speaking of battery, every time kino-connect nyo siya, hold on guys, bibigyan kayo ng status na kung ilang percent na lang yung battery nyo. Pakita ko lang. Yan, there you go. So, nakita nyo guys, meron pa tayong 100% sa earphone natin. So, magandang yun, tulong yun para alam din natin kung ano yung level na ng battery natin. Okay, just to summarize, talagang na-impress ako sa earphones na to. From the quality, sound quality, from the noise cancellation, from the bass, from the clear sound, and even yung features niya sa you can touch the earphone, sobrang okay na okay yun. If there's, a couple of things na medyo ayoko lang, one is yung hindi siya waterproof. Number 2 is yung noise cancellation na you can control it. Sometimes sobrang hindi mo na naririnig yung surroundings mo. And if you're gonna use it when you're running and if you're gonna cross the street, just be careful lang. And lastly, and ito talaga yung pinaka-concern ko, is yung voice prompt niya. Yung voice prompt niya is in Chinese. So, every time na malolobat ka, madi-disconnect or mako-connect ka, ang maririnig mo Chinese. So, parang medyo may problema doon. Pero, just have to rely na lang dito sa light indicator ng earphones. But aside from that, sobrang okay na okay ito. And I highly recommend this. Alam ko hindi siya kasing siguro ganda, but ng Galaxy Buds or mamahalin na earphones, na wireless earphones. But I'm telling you guys, hindi nagkakalayo yung quality niya, especially sa sound. So, talagang, again, I recommend this. And if you don't mind the extra features of this one, like yung wireless charging, yung extra battery life, and yung app na kasama nito, I recommend, again, this XIAOMI Airdots. Okay guys, especially guys pala, kung first time yung magkakaroon ng wireless earphones, you should try this one. Okay, so that's it guys for our unboxing and quick review of these XIAOMI Airdots. Okay guys, going back to the giveaway natin, for you guys to have a chance to win a XIAOMI Airdots, all you need to do is, of course, you have to be a subscriber and share this video. And lastly, type or comment down below BTPH 1000 subs giveaway. That is BTPH 1000 subs giveaway. Okay? So, good luck guys. Simple lang. Salamat sa mga lahat na nanood. And once again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up. And don't forget that notification bell as well for future updates and videos. So guys, salamat and I'll see you guys next time.